your computer. Turn around so you are looking at the red line. Let's draw a box. And we're just going to draw a couple of arcs, and I'm going to take you through the process of how to draw the arcs. Pick up the arc tool. One click, move it down. Second click, slide it out. Alright, and click again. Now that happens to be a 6 straight line arc left from what I did before, and I want to make it a 12. So what I'm going to do is type in 12, hit the letter S, and then enter, and you can see the arc got much smoother. So now that's a 12 segment arc. Let's do another one. Click, pull down, click, pull out, click. Let's make this a 6 element. So you're going to type in 6, S, enter. And we have a 6 element arc. We'll do another one. Start here, bring it down, pull it out. Let's make this a 3 element. So we're going to do 3S, enter. And now, whoop, I hit the delete key. Sorry about that. Let's do that again. There we go. You'll notice that because the last thing I did was a 3 element arc, as long as I continue to use it, it will stay a 3 element arc until I go back in and change it back to what it was before. Alright, so let's draw another one, and we're going to draw just a little bit smaller. Make a nice arc. I'm going to make that a 6-sided arc, 6S, enter. I'm going to move in a little closer, and here's what we're going to do. We're going to make one where the arc is changing. I'm going to click on the end of this arc. Missed it, sorry. Make sure there we go, got the little green dot, click, and I'm going to draw it way out, and you'll notice because I've already connected to the end of the arc, I have my blue line, which tells me that that is going to flow right into the other arc in a natural flowing line. So I could really put this almost anywhere and have it come to look like it flows nicely into the other one. I'm going to pick a position like that, click it twice, fast. Okay, so if the blue line shows up, let's do it up here. Notice I can come down. See, when the blue line's there, if I want to use that position, I click twice and it locks it in. And we can make a descending curve here just by continuing with the same process. As long as we see the blue, we just have to click it fast. And there we have our descending spiral created with the arc tool. Now again, you'll notice I hit the space bar to get my selection key. I drew a plane first and drew my arcs on that plane with the idea that when I'm done, I'm going to get rid of that plane. If you try to draw some of these more complicated shapes just out in the open air, they will do all sorts of strange things often. Let's try it just for the sake of argument. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to click up here, pull it, and then I'm going to attach to this corner, click it, pull it. I'm going to click to this corner, click it. I think I'll change my arc this time. Maybe I'll put another one in. Now, if I take I just highlight part of it so that the computer knows that's where I want to look. And if I use my scroll key and turn this around, you'll see it's going all over the place in ways that I did not intend. It may have looked right from this one angle, but boy, change it and you can see you've got somebody or something really different going on. So it's really important to draw that plane first and build from that plane. All right, Let's stop here on the arc for this particular lesson and go ahead and practice a little bit and see if you can get a good solid familiar feeling with how to draw the arcs and the surface to draw them on before you move on.